I'm here in Northeast Edmonton in the Edmonton Manning riding, and I'm curious what issues are most important to voters in this federal election campaign. Let's meet some of the candidates running in this riding and find out what they're hearing most often at the doors.
We're in Bannerman today. The sun is shining, it's really beautiful. And we're gonna go door knocking here, talk to as many people as we can.
NDP candidate Leslie Thompson figures she's knocked on thousands of doors since the summer. She's logging 20,000 steps a day, wearing out 3 pairs of shoes.
Hello, how are you?
She says voters bring up health care and affordability the most, and emotions are high.
There's a lot of people that cry on the doors when they're talking to me. And it's sad to hear. They'll tell stories about, we had one lady who, she was talking about her husband and he passed away. The ambulance didn't get to their house in time when he had a heart attack. We've heard from other families where they're buying groceries and they're doing the best that they can, but they can't give their child an option of, like, you know, fruit snacks in their lunch or a juice box.
Though some voters have brought up U.S. President Donald Trump and tariffs, some candidates say those issues aren't dominating doorstep discussions.
I'm with the People's Party of Canada, and I'm just bringing out some brochures.
Robert Bard, running for the People's Party of Canada, says cost of living is a top concern, and one that relates to many other issues like immigration and housing.
Whether it's renewing mortgages or whether it's buying brand new homes, young people are staying longer with their parents because they can't afford the down payment. It's already been mentioned, you know, it could take 25 years just to save up enough money to put a down payment on a home.
Hey, how are you? Can I bug you for a second?
Liberal candidate Blair-Marie says voters bring up many different issues at the doors, including the trade war.
There's a lot of folks in the community that work in the trades, and so, you know, we're still recovering from COVID. So to get hit with this again, they're really nervous about how it's going to impact their livelihood and if there were still going to be employment opportunities for them.
Snowy day in Edmonton Manning today.
Conservative Ziad Al-Boutaif is the incumbent in this riding. He didn't make himself available for an interview, but says on social media that the community is, quote, ready for hope and to recover what was wasted in the lost Liberal decade. Pollster Eddie Shepard says his company's research suggests that when it comes to issues influencing votes, there's a clear political divide.
Those who put affordability as one of their top issues, they're more likely to lean conservative. Those who put Trump as their top issue, they're more likely to lean liberal. So we see a really interesting divide in that there are 2 issues that are really driving a lot of the conversation. And those 2 issues are largely split among the electorate.
He says those surveys suggest Trump and affordability are most resonating with Canadians right now. This week's debates could bring other issues into the spotlight. Madeline Cummings, CBC News, Edmonton.